Hello everyone. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to cancel auto-recurring payments PureVPN account. Just follow these easy steps. Log in to member area account with your email and password. Click subscriptions section. Click the drop-down arrow and click cancel subscription. If you're using a trial account with PureVPN and cannot locate the cancellation button on your members area page, please contact their 24/7 customer support team for help. Now click Cancel Subscription. If you cancel your subscription, your connection will be left unprotected and vulnerable to security threats. We strongly recommend against canceling your subscription if you value your online security. Click Cancel Subscription and click Submit. And you are done. So by using this method, you can easily cancel auto-recurring payments PureVPN account. Hopefully, this video will be helpful. If you have any questions, please make a comment. I will reply you soon. Thanks for watching this video. Bye-bye.